The demand for high-performance laptops for 3D modeling and rendering is growing as designers, architects, and gamers seek devices that handle complex graphics and multitasking. Just like mechanical keyboards are evaluated for switch type, build quality. List none. The Acer Swift 3 combines sleek portability with powerful performance, making it a strong choice for 3D modeling. Its AMD Ryzen 7 4700U octa-core processor delivers exceptional multi-core performance for rendering tasks, while 8GB RAM and integrated graphics handle moderate 3D workloads efficiently. The 14-inch Full HD IPS display ensures accurate colors and wide viewing angles, essential for design precision. With a lightweight aluminum chassis and fast SSD storage, this laptop balances speed, portability, and reliability for professionals and students alike. Its battery life allows extended sessions without frequent charging, making it perfect for designers on the go. List 2. Gaming Laptop Core i7 15.6-inch laptop computer. Laptop's 32GB RAM, 1TB SSD, 180 angle open. FHD 1920x1080 display. This gaming laptop is designed for high-performance tasks, making it ideal for 3D modeling and rendering. Powered by a Core i7 processor and equipped with 32GB RAM and a 1TB SSD, it handles demanding software like Blender, AutoCAD, or 3ds Max with ease. The 15.6-inch FHD display provides sharp visuals for detailed modeling work, while the 180-degree hinge allows flexible viewing angles. Its dedicated GPU ensures smooth rendering and high frame rates. The combination of speed, storage, and display quality makes this laptop perfect for professionals who need power and reliability in a single package. List 3. The Acer Aspire 3 offers solid performance in a compact design, ideal for 3D modeling on the go. The AMD Ryzen 5 7520U quad-core processor delivers sufficient processing power for mid-level rendering tasks. With 8GB RAM and a Full HD IPS display, it ensures smooth multitasking and clear visuals for design projects. Its slim, lightweight build makes it portable for students and designers who travel frequently. The laptop includes SSD storage for fast file access and boot times. While not suited for extreme rendering workloads, it is an excellent budget-friendly option for 3D design enthusiasts seeking balance between performance and portability. List number 4. HP new 14 HD ultralight thin laptop. Quad-core Intel Celeron processor. The HP 14-inch ultralight thin laptop is a budget-friendly, portable option for basic 3D modeling and design. Its quad-core Intel Celeron processor and 4GB RAM handle lighter software and simple modeling tasks. The ultra-lightweight design makes it convenient for travel and on-the-go work. While it lacks a dedicated GPU or high-resolution display, it's ideal for students or beginners exploring 3D design without needing intensive rendering power. The laptop's battery life supports extended sessions, and its compact build fits easily in backpacks, making it an accessible entry point for aspiring designers. List number 5. AOC 15.6-inch laptop. Intel quad-core processor, up to 3.6 GHz. The AOC 15.6-inch laptop delivers solid performance for casual 3D modeling and rendering. Its Intel quad-core processor, combined with moderate RAM and storage, ensures smooth operation of mid-range software. The FHD display provides clear visuals, while the lightweight chassis makes it portable for students or freelancers. While it may struggle with large-scale rendering tasks, it offers a balanced combination of affordability, functionality, and portability. This laptop is suitable for hobbyists or those beginning their 3D modeling journey who require a reliable device without breaking the bank.